Join me as I dive into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for the very first time and see if it lives up to the hype. One of the most impressive features of the S25 Ultra is its advanced AI photography capabilities. With the phone's powerful Exynos 2100 chipset and advanced machine learning algorithms, you can capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or selfies, the S25 Ultra's AI-powered camera system is designed to deliver exceptional results. But that's not all. The S25 Ultra also boasts a range of innovative software enhancements that take the user experience to the next level. From advanced multitasking features to seamless integration with other Samsung devices, this phone is designed to be your ultimate productivity powerhouse. And with a range of customization options at your fingertips, you can tailor the experience to your unique needs and preferences.